Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make iced bubble tea. First, select your preferred tea, like black or green. Steep 2 tea bags or 2 tablespoons of loose leaf tea in 1 cup of hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. This ensures a strong base. After steeping, strain the tea and set it aside to cool down completely. A chilled tea base is essential for the best iced bubble tea experience. Next, let's prepare the delicious tapioca pearls. Bring 4 cups of water to a rolling boil in a saucepan. Carefully add 1/2 cup of dried tapioca pearls to the boiling water. Cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they become soft and float to the surface. Once cooked, drain the pearls and rinse them thoroughly with cold water to prevent sticking and cool them down. Now, let's sweeten things up and start assembling. First, make a simple syrup by dissolving 1/4 cup of sugar in 1/4 cup of hot water. Stir 2 tablespoons of this syrup into your cooked tapioca pearls. Next, fill a tall glass with ice. Pour in your cooled brewed tea, and if you like, add 1/4 cup of milk or creamer for a creamy texture. This step brings all the flavors together. Finally, it's time to enjoy your refreshing creation. Carefully spoon the sweetened tapioca pearls into the bottom of your glass. Give your tea and milk mixture a gentle stir to ensure everything is well combined. Don't forget to insert a wide straw, perfect for sipping up those delightful pearls. Your homemade iced bubble tea is now ready to be served and enjoyed. Cheers to your delicious drink.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.